guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, haul, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. So today's video we're going to be unboxing our monthly Boxycharm. This one is August Boxycharm. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay, I think it's $27.99, and you get 5 full-size products up to $125 or more. So I'm gonna have this on the description of this video, all the info for Boxycharm, links if you guys decide to check them out, sign up. All right. So this month Boxycharm theme is dusk till dawn. Ooh, like that. Alright, so let's get into this video so this video don't get so long. So the first product here is gonna be OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Palette. Oh, this palette is so beautiful. So I'm using the bronzer and the blusher and highlighter. This is the palette right here. And here I have the palette out of the box. We use the palette today on this look. The colors are stunning, very beautiful. So you have a nice bronzer here, a highlighter, and a blush, which is stunning. And this one is shade 1, I think. So you probably have different shade for different skin tone. So yeah, I love these. Let me read a little bit about it for you guys. It's part of a new perfect collection. This multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio highlighter, bronzer, and blush, providing to be the perfect multitasking functional beauty kit in true OPV beauty style. Glow perfect colors are heavily pigmented, which allow them to really pop on the skin. Each formula delivers a shade longevity and will stay put for duration of the day following application. And this beauty here retails for $34 and is a new launch for OPV Beauty. So next product here on August Boxycharm is going to be La Rousse Beauty Christine set. Okay, and I do have this set because I did get in, I don't know if it was Luxe or Premium Box, but I got this already. So I'm going to be giving this to my daughter. The Christine set include a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angled brush, a cheek brush, and a small concealer brush, a small flat shade brush, and a medium domed blending brush, and a graphite petite running cup. This beauty here retails for $50. Love this. I do have this set, but I didn't use this one on this video because since I'm gonna give it to my daughter, she always take my stuff used, so she don't mind. And I love the set, very beautiful, very nice. I do have one of them. The fabric is very soft and the bristle, so I love these brushes. Next product here is gonna be Girl Lactic Metallic Eyeshadow Sparkle Shadow. That it is the box. And then we have the eyeshadow I'm using today. I thought it was a little weak on the eye, but maybe I just need a couple of coats, more layers, but I actually like it. So a velvet and easy blendable, this metallic cream shadow formula creates a high reflect sparkling finish that's easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. This beauty here retails for $20. I like it, so I'm using today. Next product here is going to be Kevin Studio Brown Down Glue. Okay, this is the box right here, and I'm actually using today. I apply one brown out of the camera and applied another one in the camera. This is Command your browns. This easy to use, non-sticky, flaky, resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula, stay in place plus 16 plus hours, and has a natural finish that works on any brow color, armed with a baby spoolie applicator, sweep sweep and shape your browns to perfection. This beauty retails for $16. It is a new launch too. So last but not least, here is going to be the Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick. Generate, originate, choose only the finest with BFC long-lasting deluxe lipstick, delivering that extra matte finish, silk smooth application, and velvet texture you crave. This beauty here retails for $18 and also is a new launch. And I do like the lipstick I am using today, but I did apply a little bit of gloss on the top because I wanted a little bit more shine, but I like it. And this was all for August Box Charm. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know in the comments below which one was the product was your favorite. And I see you guys next month for September. Oh my god, I can't believe it's September already, for September Box Charm base box. And let me know in the comments below if you ever tried Box Charm, or if you want to try, or what do you think of them. They always come through with nice products, and they do have different box too if you are looking for beauty box. All right, so thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.